The best chicken biryani in Delhi. This is the place you have to visit if you want to eat the best biryani in Delhi. The Vedan's Bistro Cafe. And thank you so much, sir. I think what we're going to do is we're going to keep it very fast because we want to run on time. The next award is for the best butter chicken of Delhi. It's a very contested one and I hope that we have a winner among us. So I'm just going to play next. The best butter chicken award goes to Chicken Inn. And I would like to call on stage Mr. Aman Arora. He not only does he serve the best butter chicken, but he's the best person to interact with. I advise everyone after the awards to have a chat with him and you would not want to leave his side. Please give a big round of applause to Mr. Aman Arora, best butter chicken in Delhi. So, the next award, if I may, it is for the best chap in Delhi. And chap, as you know, I mean, it's as good as chicken if made right, or perhaps better. And to prove that, we have the next winner, which is the best chap award goes to Mitra the Chap from Mayur, Bihar. I would like to thank Mr. Devendra Ji because he has come straight from Haridwar after opening their God knows which outlet because they're pretty famous. So if you want to eat good chap in Delhi, then you need to go to Mitra the Chap. Please, one more time. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us.
थोड़े नाम रखते हैं वो बाथरूम टाइम का फोन आया अपना कैमरा अपना कैमरा लेना है अपने कैमरे में तो उसका रिजल्ट से वीडियो बनाता है टाइम
The next award, for the next award, I would like to call on stage Mr. Shrikant Verma ji. Mr. Shrikant Verma ji is here. I'm not sure. I think we'll move on. I would like to call Miss Ramya ji on stage. Ramya ji, are you here with us? I can't see her. Ramya ji, please come. Please join us on stage. And the next category is for best chai in Delhi. And I'm pretty sure if you were waiting for a long time, you might have tasted the best chai out there by Zahara Chai, Zahara Restaurant and Cafe Tripura Park. They serve one of the best chais in Delhi. So you wanna taste the best chai, you should visit them. I think we don't have anyone from Zahara. Anyone from Zahara? Not yet. I think we'll move past. So I'd like to call the next category is the best chaat in Delhi. And chaat, as you know, is also very hot, debated topic. And I'm pretty sure that the winner that we have, no one is going to question their authenticity. And I'd like to call on stage Mr. Dheeraj Gupta from Vaishnav Chaat Bhandar, Kamla Nagar. It's an honor for us to have them here. I mean, all the best chaat shops that you can have in Delhi, their authenticity and their simplicity has remained for the years. I'm so happy to have them among us. Please, sir, please. बेस्ट चाट के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां। आप इनके समोसा चाट खाइए, आप इनमें दही बल्ला खाइए, आप कुछ भी खाइए, बहुत ही बढ़िया है। The best ever. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And for the next award that we have is the best bun maska. I'm pretty sure you again have had the honor and privilege to taste it in the section out there. And they're also the reason why starting में थोड़ा हॉल हमारा कम था क्योंकि सब bun maska ही खा रहे थे. So for that I would like to invite Mr. Arsh, Namul Arsh, and accompanied with his father, his brother, and his mama ji. Please, sir. The best bun maska, the best. Thank you so much, sir. Color saab ke liye thank you so much. Thank you so much.
खोल के जाने के लिए बाद में कंटिन्यू
to thank Miss Ramya ji for joining us on stage, and for the next set of awards, I would like to call on stage Mr. Suresh Bhattacharya ji. Suresh ji, please come on stage. And the next category, again, it's a very hotly contested one, as hot as the Chole Bhature of Delhi. So any guesses who will be the winner of Chole Bhature? Sitaram थे पहले, but for now the next category and the next award winner is Anand ji Chole Bhature from Kamla Nagar. Lajpat Nagar, my apologies. National chart winner बहुत अच्छा लगा Kamla Nagar. So do we have someone from Anand ji? Thank you so much for joining us. Again एक बार गरम भटूरों के लिए गरम तालियां. Thank you so much sir for joining us. Thank you so much. Give it up for Mr. Pittu ji जिन्होंने छोले भटूरे को बहुत बड़ी ऊंचाई तक पहुंचा दिया. Thank you so much sir. The next category again. It's for the best छोले कुलचे of Delhi. And छोले कुलचे अगर दिल्ली में बोला जा रहा है तो एक ही नाम है जो बहुत synonymous है छोले कुलचे से. I'm pretty sure everyone knows who it is. Lotan छोले कुलचे. Do we have Mr. We have. Please. So if you go to the original shop, you'll see him there. अब तो East Delhi में भी they have expanded. And I'm pretty sure सबको पता होगा कि इन्होंने अंबानी की शादी में भी छोले कुलचे लगाए हुए हैं. तो अंबानी की शादी सीधा यहाँ पे. Thank you so much sir for joining us. Thank you so much. And up next, दिल्ली की दाल मखनी. And again, dal makhani is also very highly contested dish. And before that, I would like to thank Mr. Bhattacharya for his time on stage, and I would like to invite Miss Anindita ji from Outlook Traveler. Please ma'am, if you can join us on stage. Any guesses कि best दाल मखनी किसकी होगी? नहीं आपको पता ना, तो आप सही जगह पे आए हो. हम आपको बताते हैं. तो जो best दाल मखनी है, that award goes to Pyarelal Sialkot vegetarian from Krishna Nagar. And we have Rahul ji with us. Rahul ji is coming. And you know the best thing about their दाल मखनी, आप कभी इनकी शॉप पे जाइएगा या आप हमारे YouTube वीडियो में देखिएगा तो ये दाल को उन्होंने पकाते हैं. The मखनी texture comes from the cooking, not the butter. And it's like one of the best दाल मखनी that you can ever have. And that's Pyarelal Sialkot vegetarian for you. Thank you so much Rahul ji for being with us. The next category for, I think, for all the Punjabis in the house, the best fish fry of Delhi. And I think एक ही नाम है जो fish fry की बात करते हैं, that goes to Sahani Fish Corner. And we have Mr. Gurpreet ji coming to join us. एक बार जोरदार. Sahani sir next time फिर fish fry लगाना है यहाँ पे, है ना? अब ये और expand कर रहे थे, moved into fish and chicken as well. तो if you can join us on stage. अब तो बहुत जगह हो गया है, लेकिन they started from Mukherjee Nagar. Thank you so much sir. Best fish fry. And the next category we have. The next category is of जलेबी. अब अच्छी जलेबी की जो खासियत है वो मैं आपको बता तो सकता हूँ, बट मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप इस नेक्स्ट शॉप पे जाए और वो जलेबी खाए. And the award goes to Shiv Mishtan Bhandar from Chandni Chowk. Unfortunately, they are not with us today because I'm pretty sure वो थोड़ा जलेबी में खमीर लगाना होता है, तो we have to wait for a while. But कोई नहीं, moving forward. The next award goes for Best Kathi Roll of Delhi, and we have Mr. Danish joining us from HOD Food. So if you can have a huge round of applause for Mr. Danish. Danish bhai, thank you so much for coming. आप एक बार इनका काठी रोल ट्राई करिएगा. The best thing it's not oily, है ना? ज़्यादातर आप काठी रोल खाते हैं, it's too oily. एक बार यहाँ ट्राई जरूर करना. And for the net, I would like to thank Anindita ji and for her presence on stage. Thank you so much ma'am for joining us. And for the next categories, we have a very distinguished personality from TV, OTT. I've seen him everywhere, and it's a privilege to have him with us. I would like to welcome on stage Mr. Shrikant Verma ji. Sir, एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है, आप थोड़ा two of his iconic lines. Sir, if you can just.
तो ये छोटे वाले वो है बीच में हमारे पास में
छोटा सा
छोटे वाले जो हैं
Next category is for Kunafa. Do we have Mr. Nadeem ji with us? Nadeem ji तो शायद अभी नहीं है. Nadeem ji है? नहीं है. कोई नहीं भी move past. So the next category is the best lassi and the award goes to Pehलवान ji Lassi Corner. So basically उन्होंने they are synonymous with lassi and जो उन्होंने जामिया लोकला में इतना बढ़िया setup करा था. I would like to invite Mr. Salman Noor and Mr. Daud Noor as well. So sir please. एंड एक और बढ़िया चीज़ है, आप लोग जब यहाँ से जाएंगे तो आपको एक ना गिफ्ट बैग मिलेगा, उसके अंदर आपको मिलेगा बीटरूट का हलवा एंड दैट इज द बेस्ट हलवा दैट यू कैन एवर हैव. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द हलवा एज वेल. पहलवान जी, ओ जी, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. द नेक्स्ट अवार्ड गोज फॉर द बेस्ट मिठाई ऑफ दिल्ली. अगेन अब मिठाई बहुत ही कॉन्टेस्टेड चीज़ है, बट अगेन जो हमारे विनर है आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि आपने उसके बारे में सुना होगा या अब आप सुनने के बाद जाना जरूर चाहेंगे. एंड फॉर द बेस्ट मिठाई वी हैव श्री बांके बिहारी वासी कमला नगर. मैं बांके बिहारी से जानता हूँ, दैट इज वाई. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट मिस्टर अमन. राधे राधे सर, राधे राधे. प्लीज जॉइन अस ऑन स्टेज, ही इज जस्ट एट द बैक. आप इनके यहाँ पे जाएंगे ना, आप खाइएगा गुलाब जामुन, आप खाइएगा छैना भल्ला, आप खाइएगा मक्खन मलाई और डॉलर की चाट. एंड एक चीज़ और है, दे हैव आल्सो बीन वेरी ग्रेशियस टू गिव अस सम रबड़ी इन द टेक अवे बैग्स, सो यू कैन आल्सो सेवर देयर रबड़ी. सो वंस अगेन श्री बांके बिहारी जी डिशवासी. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. मज़ा आ रहा है आप लोगों को? बस इसके बाद खाना भी बहुत अच्छा होगा. तो